think what made us decide we want to change to orangery is we want to be able to use it the whole year round, because it was what we had before was very cold in the winter. It didn't have the right insulation, and it had a very thin polycarb roof, which was not very good in terms of keeping the heat in. And if it rained, you certainly couldn't sit in it for the noise.
And we found out about C.R. Smith's, because we've always been on our doorstep, and they did a piece of work for us and we were very pleased. So when we wanted to look at something else, we went to ask them to see what we could find out. So we did visit the showroom in Dunfermline, and we met James there, and he showed us around. It was very good. When we were there, it was actually raining, so we actually heard how little noise you could hear actually on the roof, so that for us was really good. And it was just really nice to go in and be able to see what we were getting.
When we spoke to C.R. Smith, it was, what options can we put within the orangery. So I wanted to have TV on the wall, sound system, no wires showing, decent lighting, and also climate control to allow it to be either cooled or heated depending on what the wonderful Scottish weather was. When I spoke to James, he said, yeah, whatever you want we can put in it. The fitters were absolutely amazing in terms of getting wires hidden and running wires for speakers into the box and for the orangery. It couldn't have been more helpful. One of the reasons for going to C.R. Smith was the reputation, and I have to say the process has been basically seamless. We had James came out to measure and quote. We then had the surveyor come out to check all his measurements. When it came to actually doing the job, and Jim and Kieran were absolutely superb. Arrived every morning on time, let us know what they were going to be doing. Everything just ran like clockwork, really. We have our new orangery, we have a new family space. This one absolutely loves it because you can see through the roof and see all the birds and bark at them. And our granddaughter loves it, plays in here all the time.
And also it's been great in the hot weather, having the climate control, because we've got a new grandson who's only 14 weeks, so we've been able to keep it cool, which has been great, which we've never had that option before.
I'm happy. Would I recommend C.R. Smith? Absolutely, but I have to say I'm so happy with every element of what they've done. It was spot on.